At Lafayette it was mostly sunny. Please stand by for an important weather message on WXK-80. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, southeastern St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coastland Island on your Cypress Point, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morgan City, Franklin, Patterson, Jeanerette, Berwick, Bayou Vista, Baldwin, Patterson Memorial Airport, Glencoe, Sorrel, Coastland Island, Barrington, Weeks Island, and Centerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.